Hello everyone, we will today teach you how to install the Vantage Smart Camera. This is a smart Wi-Fi based wireless camera. In the box you will get the camera itself, power charger and a cable. Then you will get a wall mount bracket. With this you can attach that to the camera and mount it on the wall or on the ceiling as you wish, or it can be placed on the tabletop. We also have a manual which completely gives you the description of how to add this camera. Now, to add this camera, firstly you have to switch on the camera and download the INI app. It's available on free of charge on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Once you have added the app, you need to reset the camera. To reset the camera, simply take a pin. There's a reset button at the back. Keep it pressed until you hear a tone that the camera has been reset.
Reset the battery setting.
Once the reset tone has come, that means the camera is ready to be added. All you need to do is open the INI app, which is available free of charge. You can go, so one camera I already have added over here. You can press the plus button and add a new camera. Go to not network state because we are connecting this through Wi-Fi. If you're connecting this through a cable, you can go on the network state. So after clicking not network state, it will ask you for a wired or Wi-Fi configuration. We will click Wi-Fi. Once that is done, you have to press this button and the camera and the phone will make a tone to make the connection.
Here.
Then once you have pressed the reset tone button and you have heard the reset tone, you enter the Wi-Fi password, which is the local Wi-Fi. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's our password. We can save it for the future. Then you click the plus button, the play button here, and the phone will make a noise.
Receiving configuration information. Began to connect. The connection is successful.
Once the connection is successful, you will get a message from the camera as well as the phone. You click finish and that's it. You are done. Your camera is added. As you can see here, the new camera has been added. You press play. Now you can be on Wi-Fi or LTE and you can see the camera. You can move it 360 degrees. As you can see, we are moving it here. You can zoom in. And control the camera. You can also have two-way audio communication. You press the speaker button and you will hear, since the mic and the speaker are too close, we will not be showing that feature, but you can hear whatever is going on there and you can have two-way audio communication with the camera also. Hope that's clear. Thank you very much.